Guru Charanam. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the angelic race and why they are important, how they work in our life and every aspect of our manifestation and in our daily life that we have. Now, what are the 7 rays of light? Haven't you heard about them? So don't worry, you aren't alone in this. Not many people know about the 7 rays of light, their uses and their effect in our daily life. We will look into the 7 rays of light, explore individually about the different angels and their powers in this episode. Finally, you can also find out which of the 7 rays are you. So, let's jump into the subject right away. The history of the 7 rays of light. The concept of angelic rays, shamanism, angels, everything dates far back into history and it appears across multiple religions and world cultural groups. This particular idea of angelic light rays existed as far back as 600 BC. So put it to simple terms, the angelic rays of light are everything. They make up all the energy in both the physical and the non-physical universe that we live in. Rather than viewing everything as one energy, we divide it up into 7 rays of light. These are 7 main types of energy that come together to form all the energy or the one energy. Many view each ray of light as its own lesson, and by learning, practicing and mastering the skills under each light, one can find enlightenment, can manifest all their desires through the energies of the universe. We all might get naturally drawn towards one particular ray, but that does not mean we should not direct our energies to the other rays as well. So as we play different roles in life, we will need the energies from all other angels and many rays as well. So let's jump into which angel represents the which rays of light. The first ray belongs to Archangel Michael. He is seen as an archangel of will and power. He inspires a drive to achieve our own place in the universe and allows our personality to shine through. The second ray belongs to Archangel Jophiel. He is the archangel who represents wisdom. He relates to our inner knowledge and being able to look within ourselves and to find a deeper meaning. The third ray belongs to Archangel Chamuel. This ray is all about balance, love, compassion, even selflessness. But ultimately, it also comes to not only caring about ourselves and the people around us, it also amounts to caring about the entire world around us. The fourth ray belongs to Archangel Gabriel. He is all about hope and spirit. Sometimes in our life, when we are going through dark times, we find it unable to look beyond the darkness and to see light. So in such cases, Archangel Gabriel is the one to look out for. The fifth ray belongs to Archangel Raphael. He is the ray of truth. He represents one's determination to find truth and always shows us the righteous path in life. The sixth ray belongs to Archangel Uriel. This angel represents peace. This could be remaining peaceful even when we are surrounded by conflict. He represents inner peace basically. Once we can achieve this peace, it means that we are capable of forgiving others around us and we are oblivious to their faults. The seventh ray finally belongs to Archangel Zadkiel. This one represents freedom, but he also represents justice. It's the notion that we should all be free. There will always be consequences for acts of evil, and God is the ultimate power. Now, one of the benefits of each of these rays having a corresponding archangel is that you know whom to pray for advice and for which reason and for what manifestation. So if you come across any problems regarding each of these rays, reach out to this archangel for your guidance on your journey of life. Each of these rays and archangel have their associated numbers, mudras, evocation patterns, sigils, crystals, initiations. The team of Energyness can support you with identification of your own personal archangel, and also angel kits with all this associated stuff is available with the Energyness people. Please seek out to them for guidance. Hope you enjoyed this episode and look forward to meeting you all in future episodes. Guru Charanam.